See what we got back here. Got some good stuff. Some good stuff. I'm glad you're here because that compressor's heavy. I don't have a cart. It'll take two of us on one end and you on the other.
I got a dolly in there.
We could throw it on your shoulder. You're pretty tough. You're not frail like me.
I got a dolly. It's this. This is metal.
Nice.
Two fenders.
Sweet. All that crap, dude? Yeah.
The weight rack, the chairs, the bumper.
You grab a side of it. Awesome. Damn, that thing, too bad that thing don't run.
Yeah, I got it from Oak Island laundry department.
Yeah.
It was leaking water inside.
Uh-huh.
I was going to fucking fix it, but I said fuck it all.
So it won't start?
It probably will.
Is there a plug on it? Or is it taken off?
Yeah,
that was what a plug was?
Yeah.
I bet that thing will work, man.
It probably will. It's been out here for a little while, but...
Yeah, that doesn't hurt one of these.
But what it was doing, it was shooting water through the lines.
Well, you're supposed to drain. You're supposed to drain it.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Well, they used to drain it, but I don't know if it was leaking, maybe something out of the header or something.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh well, either way, I'm gonna take that top motor off and stuff and scrap it.
It's fucking heavy.
I'm just gonna scrap it. It is heavy, so I'm gonna get this smaller stuff first. Put that on last.
Yeah. You can't have nothing in the gym.
No, that's a nice gym too. I like that.
Remember, I was building that when you put the roof on.
I remember. All right, big old bumper. Shred. Yeah. Thank God for a big ass trailer. Heavy stuff too. Awesome. I know where I'm going today. I'm not bringing this to my house. I'm going straight to the shred. Straight to the shredder. That's plastic. We don't want that. We got plastic. Plastic. It's an aluminum chair. It's aluminum. About 90% of it. Put that in the back of the truck. That's got to be aluminum. See, I don't know what it is. Yeah. I would think you would use that for your weights.
Got another one over there in the corner.
Oh, okay.
See it over there next to the leg press.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go.
That's for my outside rusty weights that I don't give a shit about.
Let me look at this thing.
That I buy just to have.
Goodness gracious. Holy shit.
Yeah. Usually the lawnmower shit ain't in here. I was just too lazy to put it in the other shed. But
that's nice. They got a nice
a
gym.
long time to put all that
There
shit.
you go with them balls. What do you do with them balls?
Those balls.
Big ass balls over there.
That's the dumbbells. They're old school.
Holy shit.
Somebody just painted them. Remember the old circus?
Yeah.
Pictures what they do with the
I do, yeah.
leopard?
Yeah.
That's what they are. But
Wow.
they painted them. I think they're like a rustic color underneath or
cool.
black. I'm going to strip them. Now I was going to use them as showpieces. I've been looking for like...
This for legs? This the leg thing? What's that?
That's a power rack. You can do squats off it, bench, shoulder presses.
Damn.
It's just, that's what the bench is for. You can set up the bench according to what you want. There's probably about 6,000 pounds worth of Olympic plates.
Smoke. Wow.
But, you know, I just accumulated them. I think that's all plastic.
This aluminum here.
Yeah, they came off the Suburban.
It's aluminum. Ask him what this wall is. Take this out and clean it up. Get some aluminum. Prices for that. Yeah, or you could use that as one of them peg walls.
That's what I got the 2x12s for it that I got to drill holes in, and I'm going to put it up and go about 15 foot up. And
that is awesome.
And then back down.
Wow.
And then that one on that tree is where I hang my boxing.
Yeah, your bag, yep.
And then I got that 17-foot rope climb.
Wow. Holy shit, I didn't even see that.
Yeah. And I got it all in the old
iron gate. Posts. I should have gloves on with this shit. Yeah, I can stop. I have to just stop every once in a while.
Yeah, but
a lot better. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Nice stuff.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
You like it?
I do. I love it. Thank you. I like the rope climb. Yeah, that's cool, man.
Yeah, I climb it every once in a while. That takes a lot out of you, that thing. It's a pain in the ass putting it up there. That's I bought that rope off the guys down at the fish factory down there at Oak Island. That's a tugboat rope.
And then you got a
Every
deer
3
stand
months,
up
what
there.
they do is they get rid of their ropes.
Really?
Yeah, because of OSHA.
No kidding.
They can only use them for a certain amount of time.
That's too cool.
So I was
Deer
looking for a
stand.
thinner one for a battle rope to hook up to a tree.
I like it, man. It's a big old rope there.
Yeah, I think it's a 2.5 inch.
I used to be able
You
to.
got small hands. It's hard for you to.
I used to be able to climb that thing.
It's like what they used to have back in the day when we were growing up in the gym at school.
Yeah, I used to be able to do it. It was all the way to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Mine was all the way to the ceiling.
That's the other fender I still got to put on the car.
Where?
That fender, yeah, that one's staying. I got to put that on the
Oh,
car.
okay.
When I bought it, she had hit a pole at the gas station.
Yeah.
And it kind of rippled it. I tried to plunger it, hot water it.
Yeah.
But when I pulled it out, it left a gap off the headlight. So I went out and I stripped that one. That's the only one I got in the same car.
How are we gonna do
I
this?
got a dolly. I don't know how good the wheels are on it.
Mine collapsed the other day. I put something on it. Yeah. Oh, that's better than mine. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, that's a bag liner.
That'll work there.
You don't get no better than that.
No, that's a nice one. Mine, the wheels were collapsing.
This one's a little weak, but I
It'll be all right in the dirt. You're gonna go on the front side?
on this back side.
I mean, that's what I meant. Oh, the back. It's closest.
so this might have
It's closest to right.
the weight wise.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
It'll be easier to pull this fucking bitch than this.
Oh man. Just make sure it don't fall off, Paul. Grab the thing here. Yeah, it's got that drain in the bottom. That's probably why it was leaking, I'm telling you. You got it, boss?
Yeah.
Ain't no way I could grab that in.
My world.
It is. It is your world. You're the mover.
Yeah. Dollies are your friends.
Right there.
Want to lay it down?
Yep. I'm gonna lay it right in there. Just gonna lay it in, turn it. Yeah, lay it right there and turn it back there.
Yeah, that's how I was thinking.
Either way. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is take the motor off of that thing. That ain't much, full screen.
Yeah, it ain't much to get that out there.
No. I mean, damn, that's terrible to have to throw away a tank like that.
You can try it, see what happens. But unless you got a, you might have a cord somewhere with all the shit you got.
I know it. That's a big ass tank. They're expensive.
Yeah.
Just for that tank itself, it's almost new. You know what I mean?
I do.
I mean, somebody will use that in their shop. Cast iron, all lubricated. Yeah, that's pretty big. 11.5.
Like 175 or something like that.
Yeah, 11.5 fucking 11.5
60 gallon.
cubic feet.
Yeah, 60 gallon tank.
155 max PS.
That's nice.
Yeah, 60
All
gallon
right,
tank.
well, I'm gonna throw something across that hood because it'll just fly right out of there. Throw me a strap on that hood and make sure it don't fly nowhere because that'd be right on somebody's windshield.
Yeah.
I can't afford that.
No, not at all.
Damn, I wish I had room to put that thing someplace. I mean, just the tank
It
itself.
ran.
Even if I
You know
took,
what I mean?
even if I, sold it just like it is.
It ran when they pulled it out. It was just.
Yeah, I wish I had the cord. I can get a cord though, easy enough.
They said you might have something like that at the
I've got cords.
house.
I've got cords. Yep, I have some cords. This isn't worth any. This is cast steel, of course. This here, if I took it off, I at least get the money for the copper out of there, or just even keep the motor. Sell that thing to somebody. Needs a motor. That wouldn't be too bad either. I try to break my stuff down where I make money with it. You know, what I mean,
you got
somehow.
to. Well, each metal is different price. Anyway.
Yes, exactly. That's what I said. That's motor weight. So, worst case scenario, I pop that thing off there. That's a good running motor. Somebody might need a motor like that. It works. They can hook it up to their own shit. Look, my motor looks brand new. I guarantee it works.
Oh yeah, like I said, it ran when they pulled it out.
That thing works. No doubt in my mind. But, all right. Appreciate it, Dave.
Yeah,
I'm
no
out.
problem at all. Appreciate you.
I'm out. Just gunner. Hey man, if I don't see you, I'll see you.
Yeah, I'll hit
You got
up
my number.
I'll hit you up before I roll.
You got my number.
I'll make my rounds.
Call me.
The day I leave, I'll make rounds.
All right, bro.
All right, fellas.
Oh, wrong way, damn it. On to Paul's house. I'm bringing this shit right to this fucking scrap yard. What am I gonna do today? That's right. I got the tools right there. I'll take that motor off real quick at your house. I got tools down there. I think I got them in here. Yeah, put them motherfuckers in the black truck. Alright, just take it like a 9/16, 5/8, whatever that is. All I'm pulling off is that one motor. Everything else is regular junk. Yeah, but it just ain't going to my house. That's all. I ain't fucking taking shit. I don't want. No, I don't want none of this. All I want is the electric motor. Ah. Yeah, he don't want to go down there and get cocky with one of them Mexicans.
No, dude, look at it. Shoot 3-1.
Yeah.
She got a new car?
Good for her. About time. She didn't need no fucking Mustang. It was a piece of shit when she bought it.
I thought I seen her somewhere else got it.
Yeah, that thing's a piece of shit when she bought it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still recording. Oh, hell yeah. I guess I could have put a socket on there. Oh, that's better. I can get to them.
That's the right size there?
This is 1/2 inch. Well, once I get them off, they spin off anyway. Once I loosen them, Paul. I got it. I mean, it takes 2 or 3 turns, they spin off. I got 2 of them already. Got it, bro. I've been trying to tell you.
There's more metal.
Huh?
There's more metal.
Yeah, you got metal?
16-foot piece right
Yeah.
there.
I'm just taking this motor off of here. Oh shit. It's inside of that screen too. I didn't think about that. Inside of that screen.
Oh.
The screen come apart though. If we didn't have it laying like it is. That screen opens. I'm gonna roll it over. Yup. Uh-oh. You just dropped your wrench. Let me see if I can spin it. One more time. I think it opens. What I'm thinking.
Clips.
Right here. Is that what you do? You turn? Hey, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Now you take your belt off.
Bend these things up. That should come out.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Put that in the back of the truck. It's heavy. That's a nice motor too.
Yeah.
Nice motor. I mean, that's a good bench motor right there. Turn it into a grinder. Well, I don't have any other metal to put in here, so I'm going to go get a washer machine, throw it in here, and then I'm going to head to the landfill. I mean, whatever you call it. Give me that hammer back. You got a Phillips in there by any chance? What'd you do with that hammer? Put it in the box? Okay, don't matter. I don't need it. Look at that wrench. I need to take that out. Can't scrap something like that.
What?
4-way. You never scrap a 4-way. Not that size. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, it'd be hard to get them things. All right, cool. I hate to bring that thing to the scrap yard, but he gave it to me as scrap, so I'm gonna take that motor, put it in the back of my truck. I believe this motor will run again. Pretty sure of it. I just want to put that in the back of my truck. That's a nice little motor. Hmm? Huh? All right. There we go.
Outside the house.
Mailbox. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. What was that for? What was that? Oh wow, that big ass marble. Heck yeah. Awesome. Shredded up. All right. Sweet. Gives me more reason to go. Garbage. Cool. Appreciate that. Added to that load. Sweet, guys. Appreciate it. All right. I'm going to get the hell out of here. Run to my house and throw a couple more things from the trailer in here.
Yep.
And I'll have a decent load. I'll get me a few more aluminum chairs to throw in. That's all aluminum.
Yep.
Every bit of it.
It is.
You know, I got 4 bolts in there, big deal. This ladder down, make it a little bit more reasonable to deal with. Yeah, I think we can deal with that a little better. I don't think he'll say much about that. All right, bring that other one around here. I might cut them down now that I'm here. Spam. Whoa. Whoa. Beautiful. All right, that's nice. What we got here? Got something else here I just brought back. Why not cut it up? This one. Aluminum. What would it take to make this into aluminum? My question. Little car radiator. Nice radiator. We get this other one. Smaller. I'll take it. Yeah, that was easy. Hey, throw them in shred. Yeah. See if I have any more of these things. What do I have back here? I want to make my run worth it. Might as well grab something. Worth money. Let's see. Take that. Get it all, baby. Something sitting over here I can throw in here for shred. I'm not taking that TV, but I can take that dishwasher. I can take that dishwasher and that axle. Oops. I can't take them TVs. Just can't take them. Can take that, and I can take that. Yes, sir. Before you know it, we'll have a full load on here. I could use this for a dumbbell. Oh, it's heavier than me. All right, maybe I won't use it for a dumbbell. Let me see if I can get it up there. Hey-ya! Right there. My grandpa still got it. All right, one more stop to pick up a few things, and we'll head to the scrapyard. Listen there, buddy. We need to get in here. This place is gonna close. I mean, it's 3:08 already on Wednesday. Didn't do anything yesterday, so what do you think about maybe we should hurry up? Hurry up. If you're waiting on me, you're backing up, pal. Out the back, Jack. Hell yeah. Another day at the scrapyard with Grandpa. Hey Grandpa, you're missing it all. You might want to get out here and take a look at these guys, see what the heck's going on. Oh, pick me up and bring me out there then. What do you think, I can walk or what? Did you see that, Grandpa? Watch this. Watch, Grandpa. Watch. Holy smoke. That machine's an animal. Yep. Oh, that hurt. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. Hey, man, them cars the other day were awesome. A lot of views on that one. Yeah.
Hi, Griff. Have a great day,
Hey, man, I appreciate you. You have a good day yourself. All right, I wasn't too awful terrible. A little of this, a little of that. 162.21. I thought with them other items that I would get a little bit more, but apparently I didn't have enough of them. Anyways, that wasn't a bad trip either way.